Alright guys, I'm live here at the Shortlet Apartment, which is otherwise known as Cresville Anthony. Like I told you, this place is just in close proximity to the Maryland axis. So we're going to be doing a tour where we're going to be checking all our Shortlet project on the Lagos mainland. Okay, you know what happened at that dirty December? You know that the Shortlet industry made a whole lot of money, and we have investors here, okay, who have actually invested here. So we are presently at Anthony checking the development project of what is going on. Of course, you can see we are starting the piling very soon. As you can see, the environment already there. So this is Anthony, so there's really not much work to say. So for those who are interested in earning 1 million naira rental income, so what they will do is that the developer will build, the developer will manage, and the developer will help you also do your Shortlet, and 1 million naira will be remitted to you on a monthly basis. So we still have 1-bedroom apartment available for 70 million, and we have 2-bedroom apartments available for 100 million. Don't let that one scare you. 15 million naira is the initial deposit, and you can spread your payment for 15 months. So that means in 15 months this place will be ready, and of course people will start earning monthly rental income through Shortlet. So this is the Shortlet Apartment here at Anthony, the Maryland axis of Lagos, Nigeria. This place is in close proximity to from here to Surulere is less than 14 minutes drive. From here to Oshodi is less than 7 minutes drive. From here to, of course, the international airport that most of you are looking at is just less than 20 minutes drive. So this is a central location, and of course this place is one of the best. So like I said, the developer is building, the developer is going to help you manage your Shortlet, and of course 1 million naira monthly rental income. Trust me, you obviously don't want to miss this. So in case you are interested in this project, so we are just starting the piling in 15 months time. Now a lot of people have been asking, will they deliver? Stop playing. You see what they've done in Lekki. Their Lekki project is almost completed. Presently right now, investors are earning 1 million naira at Surulere. They're also earning 1 million naira at Ikeja. So Shortlet is the main thing. Okay, so you are buying. Okay, now if you don't want them to run Shortlet for you, you want to have your own residential apartment where you can come in, and anytime you're in the country, of course that option is also available for those who want cash flow. Cash flow is king, right? So this is the project. Awesome. So let us go to Surulere. Smart investors, we are at my second location as we tour all our Shortlet off-plan projects here on the Lagos mainland. And of course, from the video now, this is Surulere. Okay, this is one of the hottest investment destination for real estate. And one of the things that I have actually seen about this location basically is that it's very serene, and it's just something you don't obviously want to miss out on. So this is our second location, and of course we are going to be building 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and of course we are also going to have unit of studio apartment here at Urban Suite Surulere. Now the beautiful thing basically is that this is also going to be a cash flow project. We are building, of course we are converting it to Shortlet, and of course we are also going to manage it for you. So wherever you are across the world, you don't need to worry about my tenants did not pay, how do I get a lawyer to evict them? That obviously is none of your own concern. So we're building, we are managing, and of course we are also remitting on a monthly basis. Now the projection here basically for the studio apartment is that you're supposed to earn, of course you will earn 40,000 per day. Do the calculation, 840,000 per month, and of course 10.5 million per year. That is what you will. Of course, you know that the Shortlet industry in the last December 2024 generated over 300 billion. So Shortlet basically right now is the main thing. So if you own a 1-bedroom apartment that is currently selling for 60 million, you're also going to earn between 1.2 to 1.5 on a monthly basis, because of course they charge 1-bedroom Shortlet here for 60k per night, and of course do the calculation, it's close to 22 point something in a year. And of course the same thing is also applicable for your 2-bedroom apartment. Your 2-bedroom apartment is from 1.5 2 million on a monthly basis, and when you do the calculation, you know that that is a whole lot of money. So we still have some unit of apartments. Now the reason why we have not started construction basically is that we are waiting, we are law abiding people. Okay, we are law abiding citizens, and of course, you know the way Lagos State government is. We want our approval to be out before we start our work on site. Of course, we are law abiding. We don't want any issues with government. As you can see, our storehouse and our storage house is already there. Of course, some of our security are there. So we have a registered deed of assignment, and of course, a survey to prove our ownership. And of course, on the mainland, you don't need C of O. You don't need because this place was never ever, inhabited by the government. It's not committed. It's 100% residential, and of course that is why we have a registered survey and a deed of assignment. Of course, in case you want to verify, you can send down your lawyer, your surveyor, can come and check, and of course you confirm what I'm saying. So 10 million naira is the initial deposit for any of the units, and of course the payment plan. You know the way the situation is, we want to start the project and finish it as soon as possible before inflation will do what? Hang our roof. So we only allow 9 months payment plan, just 9 month payment plan, 10 million naira initial deposit, and you spread the balance for 9 months. So this is Urban Suite. This is one of the beautiful locations, and of course for our investors that have already keyed in, one thing I do basically, I give monthly development updates. So I'll be coming from time to time to give you updates of the developmental milestone, and of course to give you what we are doing. So because of the economy, the payment plan is just 9 months. So we cannot say we are guaranteeing 2 years. No, it's not advisable to do so. So this is Urban Suite, our cash flow environment for Shortlet, majorly Shortlet, here in the act of Surulere. Now, I know you are very, very curious. Let us go to the third. Of course, we'll be covering 3 locations today. So our final one is, well, guess what? Let's go to Yaba. All right, so this is our final location, our final tour on our cash flow project here on the mainland. And before I go further in this video, I want to say a very, very big congratulations to all my smart real estate investors who keyed into this region, to this project. I want to say thank you for your patience. As you can see, we are delivering. We are working 24/7 just to ensure. When I was here, okay, they were just casting, the slab for the first floor. That was around December last year. Now I told you in that previous video that we ain't going on a break. There was no Christmas holiday, there was no New Year holiday. So right now we are casting the slab, and of course we are going to construct the decking for the last floor, for the second floor. As you can see, this is it. Okay, so you're wondering, this is the Meridian Apartment. Congratulations, Mr. T. Congratulations, Mr. J. Okay, you guys don't want me to reveal identity. Okay, for smart real estate investors, this is the boundary between Yaba and Ikeja. From here now, from here now, this is Yaba. So this shows that this property is strategically located. This is the house. That's a pharmacy there. That is the popular LSD estate. That's it. So from here now to the third mainland bridge is also 2 minutes drive. So if you can access the third mainland bridge from here, that means you are in close proximity, okay, to Ikeja, to Lekki, to Oshodi. Mention those places, to Surulere. So this is why this location is a hot investment zone. Thank you very much. So in case you are still interested, we have few units of studio apartment, 40 million, and we also have 1-bedroom apartment, 52 million, and 2-bedroom apartment is sold out. So for some of you say, I want the 2-bedroom apartment sold out. So what we have here is just 3-bedroom apartment, and it is 90 million. It's supposed to sell for 95, but it is 90 million. So this is Yaba, and of course boundary between Yaba and Ikeja. So this is a very, very wonderful location. Now the thing is is that if you are buying for Shortlet here, you are going to manage it yourself. Okay, this one is self-managed, and of course it's a wonderful investment. As at this stage, when I was here, 3 agents have approached me that when we are ready to rent, you should let them know. You can imagine house that is not almost completed and agents are already approaching us. That is how houses on the mainland is rush. So in case you are interested, of course there is a flexible payment plan, 20% initial deposit of the payment, and of course you can spread your payment for 6 months. Then if you want to do 1 year, Of course, we won't do beyond 1 year because this project is going to be ready before the end of this year. We can negotiate it and make it affordable for you. So look at the environment. In fact, I don't even need to talk too much. This is just, the heart from here now to Unilag, 20 minutes. From here now to the popular Yaba Tejo market. We drove in from the Tejo market. Okay, so it's less than 3-4 minutes away from. So this is the act of it. So this is our third and final investment spot for whether you are in Nigeria, you are in diaspora, you want to have something. Look at what Donald Trump is doing in the United States of America. My heart goes to everybody. And this is why it is very important that regardless of where you are across the world, there's no place like home. Imagine if you have unit of apartment here, coming back home to meet something that is tangible. And this is why real estate is very, very important. For my real estate investors that bought 2-bedroom, then they bought it for 48 million. Right now, the 2-bedroom got sold out at 65 million. We have 3-bedroom, 90 million. We have 1-bedroom, of course, it's 1-bedroom, 52. Then studio apartment, also for 40 million. So this is just, the best of it. Look at the location, look at everything. Trust me, there's nothing like having rental properties. So in case you have any inquiries on any of those properties, whether it is the one at Antoni, the mainland axis, or whether it is the one at Surulere, which is the Obasut, or is this one in Yaba, Lagos that you're interested, just give me a call. If you want further inquiries, you know what to do now. Give me a call. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.